Hello everybody, welcome to Andromeda District, your favorite plant design store. We are located here in Coral Gables at 1132 South Dixie Highway. Today we're gonna just talk about plants. A lot of people say to us, hey, I don't have a green thumb, what can we do? You know, I need something that is completely low maintenance and it doesn't require anything and I can enjoy nature, but then you know, I don't have to be worried about plants dying on me. If that is you, we do have a solution for you. Self-watering planters actually are recommended for people that work, that go to school, and you need something that help your plant live and thrive. And at the same time, if you forget about watering the plant, nothing will happen because your planter will have you back. So for that reason, we came up with our self-watering planter collection. It's available here at the store. We also have it at Casa Planta here in Miami. If you go to our website, you now have access to those planters in our website, and there is wholesale pricing available also for other businesses. With that said, I want to just introduce you to the Bola collection right here. It's our best seller planter. These guys come in 3 different sizes, large, medium, and small. And they come in a multitude of colors. The ones that are most popular are the white, granite, carbon, and the cement, okay, which we call it ash, but it's mostly like cement kind of finished. So this is nothing too complicated. These are planters that basically have you know, a little lid like this, which you just open, okay? Basically, water goes into the walls of the planters, okay, creating almost like a reservoir. The planters are very lightweight, but once you put water, they can actually, you know, be a little heavy. The stems of the roots actually go into little openings that you could see here, and they start drinking water. They have access to water that way, and plants do beautifully, okay? So, if you're looking at investing in a beautiful plant, first and foremost, come to our store. We'd love to help you. We'd love to take care of you, connect with you and your specific conditions. With that, we can basically give you different varieties of planters and plants that will work really well for your particular case. Love to have you over, so come on over and learn more about planters and plants. Thank you.